Hello guys, welcome to Phoenix Informations. Today, I'm going to share with you the various ways that you can use to uninstall or remove apps and programs from Microsoft Store on Windows. Normally, when you install an application or any program on your laptop from the Microsoft Store, then you cannot uninstall them via the normal program uninstaller in the control panel. This is because the programs does not appear on the program uninstaller menu at all. But if you've ever encountered yourself in such a situation, today I have a solution for you. Basically, there are 3 ways to uninstall applications from Microsoft Store. You can uninstall applications through the Microsoft Store itself, the Start menu, or from Settings. Also, there are some 2 key things that you need to know. 1, you cannot uninstall a system app or the Microsoft Store itself. And 2, if your HoloLens 2 has multiple users, you must be logged in as a user who installed the app to uninstall it. The first method is to uninstall the programs from the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store from the Start menu and then browse for the application you want to uninstall. On the Store page, each installed application has an Uninstall button. The second method is to uninstall the programs from the Start menu. On the Start menu or in the All Apps list, browse to the app. Select and hold it until the menu appears, then select Uninstall. And for the third method, you can easily uninstall the apps from Settings. On the Start menu, select Settings, Apps. Find the app from the list, select it, and then click Uninstall. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has helped you. Kindly support me by subscribing to my channel Phoenix Informations. Like this video and click on the notification bell icon to be the first one to get notified once I drop some more informative videos. Cheers.